I'm Joseph Melensi Balwit from Secure Life Insurance Company. The single most important thing I want to share with you today is preparing in life with a secure and less worries about the future. Our company is dedicated to safeguarding the financial future of our clients or policyholders, provides you affordable life insurance, protection plans that can help take care of your family needs no matter what happens. What are the qualified for these policies? Member must be 20 to 50 years old. Beneficiaries, if single parents, the sibling must be the beneficiary. Then, if married spouse, the children must be the beneficiary. Payments policy. Well, our company provides a category in terms of feel free to choose for that suitable from you. The member must pay use on the chosen premium, that for premium chosen. First, we have a 500 a month, then followed by 500 for 2 months, then 1,000 a month, then the last is 1,000 for 2 months. The good news of the payments of Secure Life Insurance Company: when the member did not pay his or her bill for that month, there is a 7 days extension for him to pay. And if the member wish to stop his or her subscription, 70% of his or her contribution will be given back to them. Every one of us don't know when or where our life ends, and of course, no one wish about it. Therefore, the benefits of Secure Life Insurance Company, being prepared and practical, help us to let our loved ones to have a secure and worried less about our future's destination in real life with God's journey. The following benefits, such as coffin, embalming, flowers, mass, and snack for the last day of their beloved ones. Well, thinking about the financial assistance, it depends on the number of years they contribute a financial assistance as follows. Below 30,000, no financial assistance. Then 31,000 to 40,000, 5% financial assistance. Then 41,000 to 50,000, we have 10% financial assistance. Then 51,000 to 60,000, we have 15% financial assistance. Then 61,000 to 70,000, we have 20% financial assistance. Then 71,000 and above, we have 25% financial assistance. Don't hesitate and feel free to visit and join to our company located at Don Bernardo Neri, Calamba, Misamis Occidental, Philippines. Happy to serve you. Thank you and God bless.